You got to look at how we can put together more data from many more people. And in the same sense, I think I remember when we were working on this patients list, because we want to know how many patients are waiting in line. And then from there, we can count the income, right? The thing is, eventually, what we want is to be able to combine multiple computers. Because, for example, the person putting in the names, writing the names would be in one part of the clinic. Now, the next thing we want is to be able to see what she's writing in that part of the clinic, so that we can quickly do the computations at another part of the clinic. So in that way, we need some kind of network system. And from the data that we get from in this case, the information desk, where they put in the names of the patients waiting, they need to send it to the cashier, because the cashier would need to count the patients and then match it with the actual payments, and from there we can compute the total earnings. And then eventually we had to add more of the other stuff, like the medicines, the inventory, because the computations would also include those. And that's how we made the system much larger. We started off first with what they were using previously, which was the pen and paper list, and then putting in the computer to help us with the computations, in particular putting the list in a spreadsheet. And I think we started it in particular when we were I think I think it was before the corona, or somewhat during that time already, about that time. And then when the corona hit us, we really had to make use of this way of doing the computations and making things much easier and more efficient for everyone.